We are honoured to be here today to witness the MoU signing ceremony between TÜV SÜD and MolyWorks Materials Corporation.
You've seen some of your predecessors who have come here, where they have accelerated meaningful enablement of progress. That is at the very center of our purpose of TÜV SÜD for more than 150 years.
We participated in some of the technical reference committee that organized by Enterprise Singapore to contribute health and safety of the additive manufacturing process.
In this testing, we are not only do testing as the requirements and standards, we are also developing our own certifications that we establish according to the benchmarks of the industry.
A lot of progress these days, whether it's in the area of high technology, materials, security, digitization, manufacturing, requires cooperation between different companies, product manufacturers, regulators, and it requires also an establishment of trust among consumers or partners that the quality is up to expectations.
Singapore is a trusted location where companies come together to collaborate on innovative solutions. So I think that element is very important.
If not Singapore, who else in this region can drive such a new technology? That's why I'm quite confident, and that's why also we are sitting here. Right?
For this planetary crisis that we're facing, I would say in the next few decades, it takes everybody, right, to chip in. So it's very exciting for me to see the technology that MolyWorks is building.
We really appreciate the opportunity to work together with TÜV SÜD team to improve the quality, the safety, and also the validation of the sustainable cyclic economy for metals in Singapore. Future premium on products hopefully will be driven partly by sustainability, and that component will increase over time.
It's also then an education of the industry, not just on sustainability, but also on the benefits of additive manufacturing in general.
So for us to, kind of go in this direction, I think we need to somehow find a way to be a little bit more inclusive.
When that's solved, then the profitability of a final product is going to depend to a certain degree on its carbon footprint in the future world that we all aspire to create.